Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix kernel data in page error in Windows 10 and 11. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to check your hardware, okay? If you're comfortable opening your PC, ensure all cables to your SSD or HDD are securely seated, okay? As this issue right here might be caused by a failing hard drive or even a loose hardware connection. So after that, you want to restart your computer and check if it helps, okay? Also check if your drive makes clicking noises, it may be failing. So go ahead and back up your data immediately and consider replacing the drive. Now, if that's not the issue, if it's running, you can hear it, it's plugged in correctly, well, go ahead and go to the automatic repair and startup repair section right here. Or go to the Windows recovery environment right here, this page. If you don't know how to get into this page, you just restart your PC, okay? And as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold the restart button once more to force a shutdown and do it 3 times. On the 3rd or 4th time, Windows will enter the automatic repair environment, this one. So once you're on this page, click on troubleshoot, advanced option, and in here, just click on command prompt, just like so, and just type down check disk, write it down this way, CHKDSK, space /F, F, space /R. Now once that's done, just hit on enter, and just wait for the process to finish. And in here, just type down SFC space /scan now. Hit on enter, and just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, type down exit, enter, and continue, okay? It will restart your computer, so just patiently wait. And do make sure, by the way, that your drivers and BIOS or storage controller drivers are up to date. All right, if you don't know how to update your BIOS, you might want to check your manufacturer's website on how to do that. So once that's done, you're actually good to go. If that still won't work, okay, but you have access to your Windows computer, just like this one right here, you gotta want to open up CMD once more, run as administrator, and then go ahead and type down check disk. Type it down this way, CHKDSK space /F space /R, and then hit on enter. If it says just like this error, just press Y, okay? It should be good to go. Okay, additional settings right here, so the error won't pop up again. Just go ahead and go to your search bar and type down appearance, just like so. Click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to advanced right here. Now click on change right here under virtual memory. Make sure that this one is checked, okay? Again, check. Hit on OK, 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 then restart. And once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix kernel data in page error in Windows 10 and 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.